Hi, I'm Patrick Nugent with IICLE. I'm here with two fantastic friends and partners, I might add, Bruce Richmond and Nancy Schaefer. Bruce is a partner with Cohn and Resnick here in Chicago, Illinois. Nancy is the Illinois chapter president for the AAML, and which is a distinguished organization. Both of these two people have partnered with us over the last few years, Bruce Richmond being the visionary of developing our business valuation, financial and tax issue and divorce course, which we have done now on Martin Luther King Day for the last 7 or 8 years. We think it's the best course in the state of Illinois in terms of bringing you practical guidance, an opportunity for networking, an opportunity to meet some of the best family law environment lawyers in the business, as well as meeting with some of the judges that you're dealing with on a daily basis. And for that, Bruce, we owe you a great deal of gratitude, and I want to thank you for your vision. I want to thank you for always pushing this course forward. Tell us about it this year. How's it going to be different? What are we going to bring new to the course?
Well, thanks, Patrick. I appreciate it. Each year we feel like we do better than the past year, and this year I feel the same way. I think the committee that has worked together with us to develop this, I think, came up with some great subjects for this year. In fact, dealing with things that the attorneys work with, I think, on a consistent basis in their day-to-day practice. One of the topics being strategies dealing with concentrated stock positions and the illiquidity in a divorce, I think is something that we're dealing with all the time, Nancy. And another topic is Rogers versus McGrath as to, what is income? I'm sure that that's an interesting topic now, and I think, and we've got some of the top attorneys on there, right, Nancy?
Well, very interesting. We have the two attorneys who argued the McGrath case on both sides of the matter will be speaking to us and talking about how they see the McGrath decision on child support and what is income for support purposes, fitting into the context of the other cases that have come down on this issue. So it should be a very interesting and lively discussion.
Another topic, too, that we have is something that I hear all the time is, can I ever retire, especially if someone is paying maintenance? And we're actually have a topic that's going to discuss, can one retire when they have maintenance obligations and what the impact of retirement is? I bet you hear that all the time representing people.
Yeah, it's a interesting conundrum when you look at somebody's financial picture out 40, 50 years based on the divorce settlement. You need to take into account things like retirement. You can't just look at short term. So this will be a good, interesting discussion, both in the sense of litigation and settlement cases.
And as usual, one of the things I think that made a distinction in our course is we just didn't want to hear from lawyers and the practitioners. We wanted to also always hear from the bench. And throughout the program, we have judges who volunteer their time to give their view on a lot of these subjects. And our famous panel is what we call the Judges Roundtable, right, which finishes out our program every year. And this year, it's going to be a discussion also what we call the maintenance battle, where we'll have judges from all of the different counties and case studies which they'll be addressing so that the practitioner can see what the view is from the bench.
It's a fantastic opportunity. We talk about how you've really worked this wonderful networking idea into this, getting the judges to come, getting all of these wonderful, amazing lawyers on the faculty and on the planning committee from the AAML, on top of the fact that it doesn't matter if you're a new lawyer or not. This is a fantastic event to be at. Once again, it's on January 21st out in Palatine at Harper College at the Wojcik Center. It's a beautiful facility. Lunch is included. But the main thing is the vision here that really, really Bruce has put together along with Nancy and hopefully IICLE as well is we want to take practice guidance for you and give you relevant things that you need back in your office that's going to help you do many things. Number one, grow your business. Number two, improve what you're doing for your clients on a daily basis, and last but not least, to raise the bar for Illinois attorneys across the plain in the state of Illinois, because this is really an educational event. It's an educational event on top of the fact that people come year in and year out just to be with each other again, see each other again, network with each other again, and talk with each other.
And I should say to that point, a gratitude to all the sponsors as well as the law firms who also sponsor what we call the
reception
at the end of the event, where you have an opportunity to get together and talk to the presenters as well as your fellow practitioners who attend and get their views as to how they're handling different situations.
I think one important thing, it's a full day. It's a full day of networking, a full day of learning. What else are you going to do on a court holiday except come to the business valuation seminar and learn and eat and enjoy yourself?
But our vision, I think our unique vision, is we want to do one thing. We want to give you practical guidance so that you can grow your business, so that you can improve what you are doing for your clients on a daily basis, and last but not least, to raise the bar for all the lawyers in the state of Illinois in terms of what they're doing in their practice on a daily basis. I want to thank you guys for that.
Thank you, Pat. I encourage everybody to attend. It's limited seating, so we hope everyone signs up early this year.
Thank you.